Okay, we're just gonna wing this. Got these LED headlights for the Sprinter van. Mine has halogens as the stock, which is a little bit underperforming for any night driving. So we're going to switch out to these Headlight Expert LED conversion. Got them on Amazon for less than $100. Okay, I've already changed out one on this side. The regular headlight is there. The high beam is there. To get to it, open up this cap here for the regular, this one here for the high beam. This side's already done. So that's a stock light. That's the new LED light. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put my camera right in here. And what we're going to do, pull off this cover right here. And then you're going to see inside this, it doesn't have a clip. It's not like the old ones that has a clip. It just kind of clicks in. Not super strong clicking in. So note that the wires go out that way. And I'm just going to give it a little wiggle, a little pull, and the whole thing comes out. Light bulb connected. Okay. Then all we're going to do is take, notice the tab goes up. We're going to hold it by the thing, take the bulb out, plug the new bulb in. I don't think it matters which way they go since it's DC. Make sure it's all the way plugged in. And then with this little tab facing up, we're going to go right back in. Now, you can't really see what you're doing here, so you might have to feel with your finger where it is. In this case, it's down here on this kind of lower side right there. Looking in through the front, make sure that's where it's supposed to be. Now I'm just gonna kind of give it a little wiggle and get it to click in. Doesn't really click in as much as you'd hope. I think that's all. That's it. It's in. Okay. Put the cover back on. That's pretty much all there is to it. Bring this out here. You're gonna see the light bulb right there. There's our old bulb. Just for kicks, I'm gonna start it up. So to start this thing, put our foot on the brake. Started, got our light turned on. That's our headlight on both sides. Nice white light. And that's all. Pretty easy. Hopefully they stay in place, and we'll see how they look when we're driving at night tonight. That's all for now. Mickey B. Riding, signing out.